Oops.
Got it.
This arm extender's a little hard to control. Sorry, Jonathan. Sorry, Leon.
Is Leon okay, Carlos?
He's fine. Just looking for a snack. I'm going to go feed him. We'll be right back.
Okay, let's try this again.
What was that? Huh? Leon?
Didn't you and Carlos just... Leon! Wait, Leon, it's just Moose.
What's up with Leon?
I don't know. Maybe he's looking for Carlos. Here, Leon.
Poor Leon. He really wants to get home.
Here, Leon. No, Leon! Ugh.
Hey, watch where I'm going.
Leon went upstairs.
Second floor coming up. There he is.
Here, boy. It's okay, Leon.
I got him.
Here, Leon. Here, boy. Huh? Oh, no! He's going outside.
Headed back down toward the garage.
Now, I'm underneath you.
Sorry. Leon went back downstairs, toward the garage door.
Maybe we should get Carlos. Leon will go to him.
Wait, Carlos said Leon was hungry. Maybe he wants to eat.
The snack dispenser! Some extra tasty bird seed.
This will make Leon come to us. I'll check outside. You check inside so we don't miss him.
There you are. Come on, Leon. Let's get some seeds. I'll take you back to Carlos.
Leon, here, boy. Whoa, there you are. Let's get you home to Carlos. I got Leon! Huh?
Drew, Jonathan, have you seen my